we will be discussing the transpose of a matrix. Simply put, you will just have to put the rows to columns, and that would be for row 1, the elements are A, B, they become the elements of column 1. For row 2, whose elements are C, D, they become the elements of column 2. Therefore, if I have a matrix A whose elements are 2, 1, 0, negative 3, 2, 1 being the elements of R1, they become the elements of column 1. 0, negative 3 for row 2, they become the elements of column 2. Since this will be like preparations for higher mathematics, in higher maths, you will have to prove properties theoretically, but here I can only prove properties algebraically. What is meant by this property? This means that the transpose of the sum is the same as the sum of the transpose. So let's prove it algebraically. So this means that you will have to take the sum of the matrix first before you take the transpose. This one, you will have to transpose each matrix before you take their sum. And we should expect the same answer. Alright, so we will add first A plus B. Alright, and we have learned that to find the sum, we simply find the corresponding sum of the elements. So what is meant by corresponding? I always say that if I'm going to cut this, just imagine I'm going to cut this and put it on top of this, you will have to add those elements put together. So you have 5 plus 6, that's 11. And then you have 3 plus negative 4, that would be negative 1. And then you have negative 2 plus 2, that would be 0. And 4 plus 5, that's 9. And then after that, we will have to take the transpose. So again, transpose means make the rows into columns. So row 1, which are 11 and negative 1, becomes column 1. Alright, and row 2, which has elements 0, 9, becomes elements of column 2. Alright, now let's see if we will get the same answer when we do this situation. Okay, first is we take the transpose of A. And the transpose of A will be 5, 3 becomes column 1. Negative 2, 4 becomes column 2. And the transpose of B will be 6, negative 4 becomes column 1. And 2, 5 becomes column 2. Now we will take their sum. Okay, so to do that, we will take the sum of the corresponding elements. So you have 5 plus 6 is 11. Alright, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So as you can see, the elements of the two transposes are the same. And that's it.